scientific and technological revolution instantly changes the times and civilization. Doppler Electronic leads the development of the ultrasonic testing industry. From satellite supports to pressurized vessels, from long-distance pipeline to nuclear reactor, Doppler products find widespread application in a multitude of industries ranging from aeronautics and aerospace, special equipment, oil and petrochemicals to energy, electricity, and transportation, helping ensure the safety and security of society. Keeping pace with the Industry 4.0 and Made in China, Doppler transitioned itself from a single-track product supplier into an automated ultrasonic system solution provider. In 2010, Doppler took lead in mass production of 1 to 3 composite crystal probes in terms of the research and production of high-end and special fields. Doppler is leading in China with its technical capacity. In 2012, the company introduced China's first phased array ultrasonic flaw detector fast scan, highly commended as domestically leading and internationally advanced by a Chinese non-destructive evaluation experts group. Granted with the State Key New Product Certificate, the novel type phased array equipment was released as a National Key Special Project for the development of scientific instrument and equipment. 256 channels parallel multiple input and multiple output is an indispensable platform for high-speed automated detection. Research on 3D total focusing method ultrasound, a leader in the development of the ultrasonic testing industry that established the monument of the ultrasound sector of the era. Doppler, striving forward diligently for more than a decade, upholds the corporate mission to serve the society and contribute to the safety and health of society. The Doppler members are united on the path to success against all obstacles, led or participated in the formulation of over 10 national and industry standards, received support from the national, provincial, and municipal government for multiple key technology projects. The achievement originates from the pursuit of excellence, which is the corporate principle of Doppler, and from Doppler's core values in compassion, integrity, creativity, and dedication. World-class detector production line, several dozen high-precision manufacturing procedures, industry-leading core design technology of composite materials, a relentless pursuit that embodies Doppler's craftsman spirit. Design and manufacturing principles in compliance with the European Union's testing standards. Complete sound field and service test system. Doppler adheres to strict and stringent standards measured in centimeters and millimeters. Cross-disciplinary research and development elites involved in fields ranging from acoustics and electronics to mechanics and chemistry, forms Doppler's solid corporate foundation, manifesting its faith in dedication, showcasing quality through details. Today, the Guangzhou-based Doppler has set up sales service centers in major cities across the country, forming a sales network that revolves around a wide range of regions and industries. Relying on state-of-the-art technologies and outstanding quality, Doppler products have been sold around the world with high popularity. Providing full-spectrum ultrasound-based non-destructive evaluation solutions for a plethora of well-known international companies. Blazing a path in wilderness with insufficient gears, treading forward against rain and wind, looking back with over a decade of backbreaking hard work, Doppler has never strayed away from its commitment in the ultrasound detection industry. Taking one step at a time, Doppler remains steadfast against all challenges with many achievements made. In the future, Doppler will keep focusing on product automation and intelligentization as its main business. Maintain a presence at the front line of testing application scenarios to learn about customer needs, and emphatically develop the specialized equipment to lead innovation and development of the industry technologies.